Quick update on my Microsoft call I bought last Friday. As of yesterday's close, it was up 24%. Closing price of the stock was $420.26, and in the pre-market it's trading at around $424. Stock is up 12.5% since I bought the call option, and my option is paying 2 times return. Someone asked me in the comment section about out-of-the-money call options, so I thought it would be a good idea to give you guys an update and show the power of buying an in-the-money LEAP call option. You pay a fraction of what you would pay to buy 100 shares, and gains are almost identical to full 100 shares. It's not risk-free, but we analyzed the stock and it was a well-calculated move rather than a speculation. If the price went down, I had the money to buy another call option to dollar cost average. Instead of buying 100 shares for full price, I made a choice of paying half the money and keeping the rest in the cash in case the stock goes down further. If you haven't watched that video, I've put the link down in the description. If you are interested in these kinds of videos and trades, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates.